Alright, so we just got our package and that we've been waiting for. That means we're dropping Friday the 14th.
Friday, fucking Valentine's Day.
10 a.m. PST. So this is the box here, what we've been waiting for.
We got this big knife.
Driving gloves in here.
The driving gloves finally came, boys.
We're gonna do a little unboxing of these and then show you guys everything else that's dropping.
Yeah, no doubt. This is why it's taking so long to drop, is because we're waiting for these. They're stuck in customs for a long time. But it's finally time.
It's been so long, man. What colors are they coming in?
Red, blue, and black, man. Jeez. Look at that. Alright, these things are crushed in there. Here's a blue pair. Look at that, man. Moist Boys driving gloves. Come in a bag. We have every use for them here on the back. Should we open them here?
Pull them out, man.
Okay, large XL. It's not gonna fit my hands because I have pinner ass hands.
Got mine on.
These gloves are fucking
got
nice,
in red.
Man.
It's been so long that I can't remember what these things said.
This is goat leather.
Fucking give me a high five, buddy.
Look at that.
They're real nice.
Gloves.
For the skids, eh? We're doing last minute product testing right here.
Yeah, product testing.
Yeah, they look good to me. Unfiltered driving pleasure. Driving gloves that can be used for driving, chopping wood, taking out trash, mods, and everything else. There you go, buddy.
These gloves, honestly, you could slap a hoe bag with these.
Got the adjustable wrist strap, man.
This feels fucking nice, man.
Got the fucking say you're doing some skids and some redneck pulls you over and you gotta throw off some hands, man. You got the fist padding on there. Dude,
actually.
No doubt.
Honestly, let's say right now, Adam LZ, let's fucking box, man. You're a fucking pussy. So those are the red gloves. They come in different The black gloves, should we open those up?
Man, you guys better been saving your loonies and toonies, man.
Look at that.
This is gonna be our best drop yet.
Are you fucked, buddy? Are you fucking fucked? Some tissue paper in between? Let me slide one of these on. Ooh! Orgasmic. Look at that. The black glove. Boy, does that look clean.
So they come in small, medium, and large XL. Very
limited quantities. Also because these are limited, or there's different sizes and colors, they're going to be even more limited through that. So if there's a specific size you want, specific color you want, you better get on these quick. Alright, here's a blue glove. Man, look at that. Fresh bluey. Slide my hand in here. Again, just like the black one, orgasmic hand.
So what size is that?
This one's an XL. That one's a bit big for my hand. Yeah. Because I got small ass hands.
So large XL for the big hand fuckers, and then small, medium for the average size hand guys, I guess.
You know what they say? Small hands, big peen. Look at that, man. Blue glove, red glove, and black glove. Look at that shit, man. Look at that selections, man. God damn.
Alright, give the rundown on the shift knobs.
Alright, so then we also have the shift knobs. As you can see up here, black and white, they come in, they're weighted. How tall are these again? 115 millimeters tall?
I think so.
Or they're 150?
Like 118 or something.
Okay, so pretty much 120 millimeters tall.
We'll confirm over the screen.
Yeah, we'll confirm. They are threaded with the Moist Boys button on top. Here's the white one. Again, threaded. Come in a sick ass box. These come in M12 by 1.25 and M10 by 1.25. So make sure you figure out what size your car needs beforehand. Look that up on the internet. Then we also have the beautiful plate frames coming. These are an average North American size license plate frame size. You can see the lettering is raised on these. They're really nice too. Then over here, and look at the gloves. Really nice. We still have some clothing left, limited sizes and stuff. You can see those on the website. Then we have the Nabori flags. We have two sizes of the Nabori flags. We have the large size like this. Oh, we'll have this hanging down. And then we have a smaller size, which you can like hang in your bedroom. They're about this long.
Let me go in depth on the design, man, because I was way too fired up. So you know, you got the Sylvia, you got the Long Champs, you got the fucking guys smoking. Smoke tires, not cigarettes. It's been the slogan since day one. And you got some hearts. You got Moist Boys written in the shadow. So you know you can hang this up and not have to feel insecure about having Moist Boys written extremely big. It's kind of hidden. You know, it's subtle, man.
Look at that.
Looks real nice.
So that's the big size. Then we have the keychains. These are metal enamel keychains. We have the small wheels forever with the long champ on them. Is that a good shot?
Yep.
And then we have the Smoke Tires Not Cigarette Marlboro pack design. Again, enameled.
It also does have the saying. It's kind of hard to see on
Yeah,
camera.
it says Smoke Tires Not Cigarettes at the bottom there. Yeah, lots of license plate frames, more shift knobs. And then over here, we still have jewel skins. And then we're still selling our drift buttons. Lots of drift buttons. Then we have new slaps. More new slaps. Banners. Put this across your fucking windshields. A lot of people have been requesting those, so here they are. Banners, and then we have
restock the Marlboro.
Yeah,
vinyl.
restock the Marlboro vinyl, and then we have
Unfiltered one.
filtered driving pleasure, and then these ones.
And all of our vinyls are just like super limited.
Yeah, everything. Yeah, the vinyls especially are really limited.
We restocked the half-ass vinyl.
Restocked the half-ass vinyl and the drip vinyl. It's been a while since we've offered the drip, but it always sells out quick. Both of these normally sell out really fast.
Yeah, those are like first day and they're gone. Kind
Yeah. And then we still have our Small Wheels Forever Black Ice and Watermelon Air Freshener. And we have the Sapporo can air freshener, also black ice. And then we restocked, because lots of people have been asking for us to restock them. We are restocking the mirror visors, both in clear and in tinted. So those will be up on the site again. But yeah, so we're dropping all this stuff February 14th at 10 a.m.
Yeah, 10 a.m.
Eastern
Pacific Standard Time.
Pacific Standard Time. Ship worldwide, obviously.
We'll put the link to the shop in the description below, so you can just have that page open on your computer, and as soon as it hits 10 a.m. on Friday, refresh that bitch and then get going.
Yeah, you definitely, especially if you want gloves, because the gloves are super limited. The flags are also super limited.
Dude, everything's fucking limited.
Everything's really limited, so you want to make sure you're on top of it, or you might miss out. Also got lots more videos coming. Noah's Engine's coming out this weekend. So yeah, stay tuned for the content, man.
Hell yeah, bro. Alright, so we just wanted to drop this video and let you guys know kind of what we were dropping, when it's coming out, and what it looks like. So right now, we're going to take some more product pictures. We're still working on the website. It'll probably be done by tomorrow, which will be Tuesday, and then the drop will be Friday. So stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Check the description for the website link. Follow us on Instagram to stay up to date.
No doubt.
Yeah.
Alright. Free off.
High five, I like.
Okay. Yeah.